Here is number 2 for the live trade examples of the stop loss hunt divergence strategy. So let's take a look at this one and break it down, why this one was entered on Euro, US dollar. So 5-minute time frame here. We have significant lows taken out on this move down. So two significant levels here and here. I think everyone can agree these are places where a lot of people will place their stop loss. So we're looking for these to be stop loss hunt levels. And right now, we want to see a reaction. We want to see a higher low compared to over here. And then we want to see price start gravitating towards logical highs. So there's a logical high here. We have a logical high way over here that was not swept, and also here. So a few logical highs to be looking out for. This is the nearest one that I've gotten my risk to reward ratio with, as I said in the first strategy video, looking for at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this meets that criteria. If I were to target higher, then we could get better 1 to 2.75, but it's going to stick with this first target here. And I'll get rid of the drawings now. We can take a look at why this one was entered, where it was entered. So, of course, we already had the stop loss hunts, those significant levels being taken out on this move down. And now we look for our bullish divergence. Why was it entered on this candle, taking out this low right here? Well, let's take a look. We have higher low here on our indicator with the momentum. At the same time, we also have the higher low on our money flow. So in more than one place, we'll zoom out in just a sec. So this smaller area here, that between this low and this low, bullish divergence on the money flow and momentum. But if we zoom out, can zoom out the money flow here to down here, you can see it's coming up, but price is going down. So we have a couple instances of bullish divergence. So criteria is met there. And this was the first instance of bullish divergence on the momentum. So that's where the entry was taken after these levels were swept. Okay, so that is the position. That's why the stop loss is placed where it's placed. And it matches up nicely with the lows over here. So we're looking for a higher low here and then a push to the upside. Now, remember the trade management rules if you watched yesterday's video. If you haven't watched the first video breaking down this strategy in another live example on Bitcoin, watch that video and you'll see the reason why I move the stop loss to break even when I do. So what we'll be doing is waiting. If we do get this to come up, take out this high here, then make a higher low and then higher high, breaking this high here. That's the point where the stop loss gets moved to break even. Okay, so until then, it's just going to be seeing if I get stopped out or if I get my stop loss to break even first. Okay, so it's just going to be a waiting game until then. And this was shown in the first live example with this strategy where I did move the stop loss to break even. So let's wait and I'll update it at a later time. We can take a look also at the higher time frames to kind of see why this was taken as a long. So we have 15-minute time frame, not much higher, but we do have this way oversold, looking like it's starting to curl up. Okay, and then can take a look. 30-minute, also oversold. Looks like it's starting to curl up, not quite really. We don't really have a lot there, but what we can do is look at higher time frames, and we can see we're getting higher lows on money flow for the 6-hour time frame. Okay, so our money flow is coming to the upside here, and in the shorter term on the 6-hour here, coming to the upside right here. Let's take a look at our 4-hour money flow. It's been coming to the upside overall here, and recently coming to the upside here, although the last couple candles coming to the downside because, of course, we're trading a pullback. This is very short term here. So that is the idea, to see this curl to the upside, looking for a higher low here, and then looking for a sweep on the highs up here first before any sort of downtrending continuation moves. Okay, so that's the idea here. I'll update it. My dog started barking. I think there's someone blasting music up the street or something. So we'll update it and see how things pan out. All right, so let's get into this one. Now that things have developed, stop loss was moved to break even, and profit target has already been hit up here, so I will close out this trade. So that one worked out incredibly well. The last trade in yesterday's live trading video also hit its profit target. So these two were perfect examples of this strategy in action. If you guys are interested in using my affiliate links for cryptocurrency exchanges Bybit and BitGet, check them out in my description down below. If you appreciate these live trading example videos of this strategy, make sure you like and comment for the YouTube algorithm, and use my affiliate link for Market Cipher in my description down below to support the channel as well. Thank you guys, and have a great day.